day for us has been absolutely fantastic. My general impressions has been there's been a lot of really strong, really great credible leads for us, a lot of opportunity to meet with a fantastic number of people who perhaps wouldn't have had the chance to do all in one go.
So shows like Railtex, they give us access to the whole rail market within the UK, and it's great to be able to meet with so many different people in so many different aspects of the industry.
The rail industry represents about 50% of our revenue, so being able to meet these customers face to face and having those conversations is hugely important to us.
The presence here is extremely important for us, so to be at Railtex is something as a sort of a must-attend experience.
I found it's very useful to understand the vertical. I'm talking to customers' potential and I'm learning how they go to market, so it's helping me understand Railtex and the rail community even better.
I think for route reports, it's very good for us to have face-to-face conversations with our customers. So this event has given us the opportunity to collaborate with all our clients and bring them under one roof.
To be here, to be present, and for people to come and physically touch and feel and experience our products. You can't do that virtually, you have to do that face-to-face. So I'm so pleased that exhibitions are still here, and I'm very pleased that Railtex is the place to go in the UK.